Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right. Good afternoon, guys. All right, sir. And those who are attending first class or second class today, I think on Friday I've taken one demo class, and today might be second class. Some of you are attending there, right? So daily classroom notes you can get through this URL. Please take this URL. Those who require, those who are first time demo class or maybe second demo class, you are attending there. Now try to take this URL. There we are able to get daily classroom notes. Just keep this URL on the browser. There you are able to get daily classroom notes. That means you can get access of these notes daily. We can watch this classroom notes. Take this URL. Yes, sir. All of you are okay? Taken it. So anyway, then https:// tinyurl.com. It's okay. It's a normal website only. / Java 430 PM notes. Java 430 PM notes. Okay. All right. Now I'm giving clarity to all of you, especially those who are attending first class today, or maybe second class, those who are coming for it. Already on Friday, I given somewhat clarity, but again I'm telling there. So actual our syllabus will start with what there introduction. Introduction. This is first one. Second one is steps to prepare first Java application. Then third one is language fundamentals. Then after this, oops, object orientation. All right, oops onwards. So many topics are available, and so on and so on and so on. Almost all. You can see how many topics there, nearly 35 to 36 topics there we are going to understand. 36th topic is what there? Java 19th version features. 19th version features. Java 19th version feature, right? That I have to discuss there. Just 2 minutes. I'll start our actual content, but let me give some clarity. So, for the new members, that means those who are attending demo class today and Friday, introduction topic is a theoretical content totally, right? Differences between Java and others, then Java programming format, this kind of small concepts I completed there. So no problem. Then I will discuss this topic again. I will give schedule for you. Then I will start this topic again. I will take these backup classes for you again. Don't worry for it. Okay. But today I want to start second one, steps to prepare first Java application onwards. I'm going to start. Just it's the meaning of like how to install Java software. Then after this installation of the Java software, other one is like what there, how to prepare Java program and also save Java file how to compile Java file, how to execute Java file, the small things I'm going to discuss. So today onwards, I'm going to start this. The remaining topics continuously we are going to discuss this first theoretical concepts. The theory, total theory, I will discuss with you at some other time. At some other time, in the sense, I'll give schedule for it. Okay, no need to worry for it. But it is not dependent topic for today's topic. No, today's topic is somewhat towards programming part. I'm going to start. Like what I'm telling to you, how to install Java software kind of things. We are going to understand clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity what I'm telling you. So these introduction classes are theoretical concepts. Again, I will take these classes to you. No need to worry for it. All right. Now, first of all, now let's understand the content here. Steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. I think almost all of you might be aware about this topic as part of your academics. Academics in the sense might be in our colleges. Part of the academics, you might be aware about this one. But again, I'm telling to you in a standard way, whatever the things we understood, in our colleges, that is up to one level. That is up to your examination purpose. But now, whatever the concepts you are going to understand, this is for the sake of your company, for the sake of your, all right, what I'm telling there, for the sake of your organization, that means career. So try to put more concentration here. Some standards we have to understand while preparing these applications now. First of all, let's understand this. What exactly the steps we require to prepare first application. All right. If we come for this point, that very first step here, what I'm telling to you, download and install Java software. Download and install Java software. First one, very first one. Second one is after that, after completion of this, download and install Java editor. Java editor. I will talk about it one by one, one by one. We are going to understand it clearly. After completion of this, what next one here? After this, open Java editor and write a Java program. That means open Java file, not editor here. Open Java file and write Java program. Okay. After writing the Java program, what next one here? Save Java file. Save Java file. After saving Java file, then what next one here? We are going to understand. Compile Java file. What next one here? Compile Java file. After that, execute Java program. Execute Java program. That's it. So these are clearly the steps here what we are having there. Observe carefully. All of you know what are the steps here I'm telling to you. First one is download and install Java software. Download and install Java editor. Open Java file and write Java program. Save Java file. Compile Java file. Execute Java program. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity on this point here. All right. Now let us see download and install Java software. This step here we are going to start. Everybody put more concentration here. Now before going to download and install Java software, first of all, already in my system I have some Java softwares. I want to uninstall all the Java softwares. After completion of this, I want to download and I want to install Java software that I want to know. Right, so let me uninstall my Java softwares now. General knowledge. Everybody might be uninstalled number of times your softwares now. Tell me guys, then how I'm going to uninstall my softwares there? For example, all my installed softwares are available at C drive. Inside the C drive, Java folder is available. There, all my Java softwares are installed. Can I select all? Can I delete them? Is it the process of uninstallation of the Java software? Can I do this? Just I want to remove these folders. Can I remove these folders? Can I delete these folders? No. No. In general, this is not the way to uninstall any software. Any software, even in our mobile phones also, some apps you installed previously, if you want to uninstall them, then what we are doing there, simply are you removing that files or maybe folders? No, simply just if you click on long press on it, no, their uninstall option is coming or not, you are selecting it. Understand it? No, of course, when we install the Java softwares, here we might be seeing some folders there, but internally some folders are existed. They're not visible for us. Internal in the memory, some other folders might be existed. Uninstallation of a software in the sense visible folders, invisible folders, everything has to be cleaned up, everything has to be removed. For that purpose, the software provider might be given uninstallation process for us. That uninstallation files are going to be executed, then only the total software is going to be uninstalled. Right, sir? Deleting folders is not the right approach. Then what we have to do, if you want to uninstall your software, then what we have to do, go for directly control panel. What's the first one here? Directly we have to go for what there? Control panel. In a control panel, programs option is available. There we have an option like what there? Uninstall a program. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Every software, anything, try to follow the same. Right, sir? Go for programs where uninstall a program option is available. I think so. It may not be visible, but you can understand. In the video, it's going to be available for you. Then everybody, we can watch that video there clearly, whatever the process I'm doing now. All right, sir. Now here, how many versions of Java softwares are installed here? If you observe this clearly, so many versions are installed here. Java 7, Java 8, again Java 7 here, Java 8, Java 6, Java 17. These many versions are installed here. So let me uninstall them. Nothing, sir. Right click on it, uninstall everything. One by one, we have to do. Just I may take 1 minute of time here for the sake of uninstallation process. No, now once if I completed this, then I will start freshly installation of the Java software. Even though you are aware about this total process here, but in a standard way, I'm trying to give this installation process. No, try to follow this total process, all of you guys. One time, try to do this work. Okay, one time, try to do this work. But what I am telling to you, when we go for your company, in the companies, in a software companies, you are not at all right person to do installation and uninstallation of the softwares. You don't have any responsibility that. Moreover, you are not having any permission to install your own softwares in our company systems. In every company, system administration team might be available. System administration team. Nowadays, maybe DevOps team. In the DevOps team, maybe infrastructure management is available, or maybe system administrative there. If the companies are not maintaining any proper DevOps team there, they are going to maintain their system administrators team. Then what the system administrators, what they are able to do? No. So for example, if you require a software, so don't download that software from internet, don't install it in our system. Why? Because every company must maintain some licensed versions only. They're not going to maintain any pirated softwares. Licensed versions only they have to maintain. To maintain that licensed versions, a separate team is available. So if you require any software, send a mail to our system administrators team. Then they will come to your system either virtually or physically. They will come to your system and they will install the required softwares and they will give updates to you. Got it or not? What I'm telling there, just you have to send a mail. For example, system administrator team is available where the lead is what they say. For example, Ramu is the name. Hey Ramu, I required some of this software. Please come here and try to install it. They had already licensed versions there. They will come to your system virtually or physically, whatever it may be. Virtual in the sense through online, they can install. They will take access of your desktop and they are trying to install it, or else maybe they will install directly to this. Might be physically. They'll come to your system officially, they will install the required softwares, but you don't have any responsibility to install or uninstall the required softwares. Okay, fine. That's the process here. Then immediately may ask a question to me, sir, in the company separate team is available for installation now, why you are installing now in front of us now? Why you are doing some time waste process in front of us now? This kind of question you may ask to me. Am I right? So but I'm telling to you, this is minimum idea. This is minimum idea to install the software there. For example, you are attending the courses now. I think you are not working in any company, just you are learning the courses here. Okay, after completion of this class, you have to go to your home. There you want to practice your application. Then to practice your application, what you require? You need a Java software, no? Right. For the sake of installation of Java software in our computer, what you are doing there? Yes, sir. Hello. What happened? Right, sir. So even though demo class, it's okay. Better to maintain this, right? All right. Now come for our point here. So at your home, if you want to install your Java software, what do you want to do? Will you make a call to the TCS service now? Then I require some software. Just please come to my home and try to install the software now. Nobody will listen our voice, right? So at least minimum idea we need to have that. That's why I'm giving this information there. At your home, immediate practice. For the sake of your immediate practice, you must go for what there, this kind of content. Try to recognize it, what I'm telling you. All right, sir. Now here. So finally here, what I have done here, I want to install it. Now I uninstalled all my softwares there in my system, Java related thing. No, but one more small thing I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. All right, one setup might be I given there previously. Some setups are given in the previously. What setups here I've given there? Right click on this PC, go for properties there, advanced system settings available. Now here environment variables, advanced and environment variables are available. When I install my Java software, previously I provided some setups. I want to even remove that setups also. I don't require even that setups also. I want to remove them. So first of all, Java home, let me remove this. Maven is okay, fine. Path is existed here. Now inside this path, JDK 17 is existed here that I set actually. I want to delete that event. That's okay, fine. Totally, my system is now Java free system. My system doesn't have Java software. Let me check it now. Let me cross check it whether my system has the Java software or not. Simply Java C, type Java C, click on enter button. Then what I got there information, no, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This type of information here we are getting. So what's the meaning of this information there? No, the meaning of this particular information is what there, Java software is not available in our system. Java software is not existed in our system. So I need to install the Java software. All right, before going to install the Java software, first of all, what we have to do, we have to download Java software or not. All right, please remember this. At the very starting point of our programming, at very starting point, our starting point of our course now, I'm going to start programming with Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. These three versions minimum I require. Yes, sir. Got it or not? What versions minimum I want to use now? At present, at very startup mode, Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. I will show these three versions in installation in my system. Got it or not? But which version I'm going to be covered in our classes there. At the end of the course, you can see up to Java 19th version, we are going to discuss the content. Up to the latest version, we are going to see. When I'm going to talk about Java 9 version features now, by the time I will install Java 9 version, there I will show how to install it. When I'm going to talk about Java 10 version, there I will install on flow. When I require Java 15th version, 16th version, on flow, I'm going to install the required Java versions in my system there. Got it or not? But at present, at very startup mode of the applications, no, I have to show programming with what there, Java 6, Java 7, then what next one, no, Java 8. These three versions in installations I want to show now. Sir, got it or not? Fine, sir. Now, very first one here, what I'm telling there here, download Java software. I want to download the Java software here. To download the Java software, I want to provide some links to you. Now, try to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Now, good. Just nothing to do. Just Google it. What version here I want to install there? Java 6 download. I want to provide this. Java 6 download. Right, sir? Now tell me guys, all of you tell me, what is the latest version of the Java at present? No, Java 19. Before Java 19, right from 5th version or 2nd version or whatever it may be, up to Java 18th version, all our older versions are not. When compared with 19 version, all our older versions are not. So in general, the Java previous versions, Java older versions are provided in archive downloads. In what their archive downloads, directly they're available with what their archive downloads. In the case in the search result, if you are not getting archive downloads, no, try to type here Java 6 archive downloads. Better to search for it. So now here it is available here, Java 6. No, right click on it to open a new tab. If I open in a new tab there what I am able to see now, scroll down. If you scroll down, there we are able to see all the Java softwares. Right, one point here we have to remember. Java is a platform independent programming language or not? Come on guys, Java is what there? Platform independent programming language. Am I right or not? But Java software is a platform dependent. Java programming language is a platform independent. We can run in multiple operating systems. But Java software is what there? Platform dependent. Before going to install our Java software, first confirm it what operating system we are having in our system. Corresponding Java software only we have to download. Yes, sir, got it or not? Now, because of that reason only, we can observe there clearly. On the base of the operating system only, the specific downloadable files are provided. Downloadable links are provided. If your operating system is Linux, these versions are available. If your operating system is Solaris, these many things are available. If your operating system is Windows, these many things are available. But again, here we are having Windows x86 and Windows x64. What operating system is your operating system? Is it a 64-bit operating system or 86-bit operating system? Now it is asking there. Sir, got it or not? Now I need to confirm it first of all. Okay, how it is possible to know which bit operating system is available with me? What operating system is available with me? No, if you want to know that, first of all, then what we have to do there? Go with what there? This one here. Now go with what there? This PC. Right click here, properties. Right click and properties. If you go there we can see this Windows 10 operating system. What bit operating system it is? No, system type is what there? 64-bit operating system, 64-bit processor. Sir, got or not? My operating system is what there? Not 86. My operating system is what there? 64-bit Windows and 64-bit operating system. Is it clear or not? All right, sir. Now let's come for this point here. Now my operating system is confirmed to me Windows X 64-bit. So now here Windows X 64-bit operating system is available or not? Yes, it is available. Now here this version here we have to download. All of you are getting clarity what we are downloading there, no? So try to click on this particular one. All right, sir. If I click on this, right, just 1 minute, guys. Let me give that link now to you so that you can get it. Okay, fine. All right. First of all, what it is asking there, no, accept the license agreement here. It's a formality only. No need to think much about it. Just click on download JDK 6 U45 in the sense 6 Java 6 version update 45. At each and every version, some sub updations, sub versions are available. Updations are available. Now this is what their update of 45. That version is available. Click on this. Now, if you click on it, it is asking about username and password here. All right, just let me confirm it. So when I click on this download option, then immediately it is asking what their Oracle account. Oracle account. Why? Because we are downloading the software from archive versions or not, archive downloads or not. So definitely you should be an account holder of the Oracle. So better what I'm telling there. If you have already account with Oracle website, no, directly we can use that username and password there. If you don't have any account with Oracle, then better to go with what there, create account, where it is asking some fields there, namesake only. There it may be asked company name and all these details also. But don't worry, you can give any company name, nothing else. No need to worry for it. It's a formality only. Create an account. Username and password will be created. When username and password is created, they can come back to this one and where we have to provide username and password. Already had my own username and password. I want to use that so that we are able to get it. Don't try with my username and password. You never identify what is my password, what I'm having there. Uh, right, sir. So it's downloaded. It's downloaded here. We can understand clearly. All right, sir. So JDK, this version is available here. That was downloaded. Okay. Once at a time, all three versions I want to got into my system here. First of all, it was downloaded. You can understand it clearly. That's okay now. So which version can we downloaded? Then now tell me Java 6 version. Up to this browser, one time sign in is sufficient. One time authentication is sufficient. We can download any number of softwares from Oracle website. See, better what I'm telling there, better to create one-time account for it. Why? Because today is not going to be completed. Basically, we are the Java developers. Java was provided by Oracle Corporation only. So many softwares we are going to download in the future. In the future, when I go with JDBC programming, their Oracle database I required. I have to download Oracle database now. In the future, maybe I'm able to use MySQL database. I'm able to use MySQL database. I have to download it. So not only these, no, so many softwares I'm going to download from Oracle website. So better to create one time username and password for this Oracle account. So try to keep that in a text file in our desktop. Oracle. That means all the installation details. No, we can maintain at one time. There we can use it whenever we require that instead of creating every time account there. Okay, fine. Now this time I want to go with what there, Java 7 download. Java 7 downloads. Let me click on it. Now again what we are getting there, Java SC7 archive downloads. Right click on it. Now let us click on open it now. Then there also be the same scenario. First search for your operating system. What is my operating system there, guys? Now tell me. My operating system is what there? Windows x86, Windows X 64 is available. My operating system is what there? Windows X 64 now. JDK 7 update 80 is available. Now let me click on it. If you click on it, now accept the license agreement and click on this one. Automatically it's going to be downloaded. Again, it is not asking about username and password. One time is sufficient for this browser. If you close the browser now, again it will ask. Again it will ask that account there. Up to this browser is okay. Any number of softwares here we can download. Alright, sir. Now it's going to be downloaded. Now it's completed here now. JDK 7U80 update 80 was downloaded, was provided. Is it clear or not? All of you are getting clarity or not? Fine, sir. One more version I want to download there. What is that next version, guys? Now tell me. Java 8 download. Java 8 download. I want to provide this. Let us click on this one. Java SE8 archive downloads here. Now that I want to provide. Right click on it. Again here, open in new tab. Just if you open in new tab there we have to search for what there. All right, sir. Our operating system wise here, we have to go with Windows X64. Windows 64 is our operating system there. JDK 8 update 202 Windows 64.exe. Now here we have to accept this license agreement. Click on it. Now it is also going to be downloaded. Right, sir. Finally, what softwares here we downloaded here? No, three softwares here we downloaded. What are the three softwares here we downloaded, guys? Now tell me. First one is what there? Java 6. Next one is what there? Java 7. Then after that, Java 8. All right, so now just let me maintain that information here. For Java 6 version, already I have this one link. Just I'm giving for the sake of awareness. No, I given this link there. Next one is what? Next one here, Java 7. I want to give other link there. Already we had that other link. This is for what there? Java 7. All right, so now here, whenever we are providing this, now let me give this link details to you. All right, so next one is after that. Right, it's okay, fine. Then after this, after completion of this, another thing like what I'm telling to you, Java 8, that links. Just I'm giving there in the document, I'm giving that links to you. Better to use it. Otherwise, then what is the standard process here I'm giving there? Try to follow the standard process now. For example, if myself is a student, no, I want to download the softwares there. I don't want to copy any link on all these things. Directly, I will Google it. Definitely in the search results, first one or two search results are what their actual home websites only, from where I'm able to get the required softwares. All right, sir. One more point I'm telling to you. As you are the Java developer, don't take a license for any software with respect to Java development. Almost all 99.99% of the softwares are freewares only related to Java. Already the companies are giving freewares to us. Don't make them as a licensed one. Don't pay any amount of money for any software. Everything is available in the internet. Just with a free of cost, we can download. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Still, if you want to pay the payments, no, don't worry. I will give my account number. Then try to pay to me. I will give that softwares to you. Yeah? Already Sun Microsystems has given Java is a freeware, but why you are making it is a licensed one? No. What is the need of paying the payments? No, don't waste your money. Right, yes. Now that's okay, fine. Download Java software option here I've given there. Now here I given that links to you. Try to utilize these links here now. For each and every version I've given there. That's okay, guys. Now finally, in the downloads, all the softwares are available here. Whatever the softwares here we are getting there, All of them are available. Now here, I want to copy them. Right, so now let me copy them. I want to keep all my softwares in a E drive. Every time I don't want to download from internet, just for the sake of showing the total process, I download it. No, but every time I don't want to do that, I'll go to E drive. In my E drive, I have a folder separate. I created my folder. This is my view. I created this folder there in my E drive softwares, where JDKs is a folder I've taken. Inside the JDKs folder, I want to download them. I want to paste them. Right click on paste it. Automatically, the required softwares are going to be pasted. Of course, the same softwares are available with me or not. Whatever the software just now I downloaded there, all of them are available with me or not. JDK 6 update 45, JDK 7 update 80, JDK 8 update 202. Then all the three softwares are already existed with me or not. So if I click on paste now, then what is asking there? No, replace. No, I don't want to replace it. If you click on replace, no, new softwares will come into the same location here. Not required here. Already available with me. All right, just I don't want to paste it. That's okay. See, one time I downloaded from internet, I kept them in a location at our system, at my system. Of course, if you are not having these many drives in our laptops, no, C drive and D drive you may have there, or maybe only C drive you are having there. Inside the C drive, create a folder, softwares folder. There, create a one folder, one more folder, JDKs folder. There we can keep all the softwares. One time we can keep the softwares there. Try to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Okay, fine. Then what next one here? All my Java softwares I downloaded from internet. Then after that, I have to install my Java software or not? I have to install my Java software or not? Guys, now observe carefully. This is point number one here we completed. Now I want to go with what there point number two. Install Java software. Install Java software. Please try to understand it. Why I'm giving this step-by-step process to you. Some of you are totally completely new for this programming. It might be at least by seeing these steps, you are able to prepare yourself. You are able to install in your own way now. That's why I'm giving that things now. All right, sir. First of all, now here what we have to do there. First of all, just double click on the file what you are having. One version related document I'm preparing now. Remaining two versions I will do on flow. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Now here what I have to do there. Double click on or this one here, this particular file name. Here I want to take no. Double click on this. All right, sir. Now double click on this version. What exactly the software version here we have taken it. Let me double click on it now. If we double click on it, now it is asking about the welcome window, installation window. Directly click on what button here? No, next button here. I have to click there. Click on next button. Only one version I'm going to prepare this document, guys. Next version onwards, I'm going to show on flow, right? Double click on next button here. That's okay, fine. Right here. Now let me click on this next button here. No, here click on next button here. When we click on next button, now directly, and one more point I need to give clarity here. Try to understand it now. When we install Java software in our system, two products are going to be installed now. When I install Java software in my system, two products are going to be installed. What are the two products are going to be installed here? JDK and JRE. What are the two things? No, JDK and what next one? No, JRE. JDK, Java Development Kit. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JDK is what there? Java Development Kit. Second one is what there? Java Runtime Environment. All of you are following or not? All right, sir. Actual Java software is available with JDK only. Java compiler, JVM, Java profiler, all these tools combination is nothing but Java software. The total tools combination is available with what there? JDK only. But JRE is providing some runtime environment for executing our Java programs. JRE is providing some environment for running our Java programs. At runtime, if you require some libraries now, JRE is providing libraries to the JVM to execute our programs there. But actual Java software is available with what there? JDK only. Right. Then JRE is providing some environment to run our Java programs. Try to understand it clearly what I'm telling you. That's okay, guys. Now just we click on next button. Now here, if we observe this, what product is going to be installed here? Now tell me, guys. What product is going to be installed here? No, JDK 1.6.0. JDK is going to be installed or not? All right. Now by default, at which location it is installing the JDK? By default, what location it has taken there? C program files now. But remember, my personal way I'm telling there, my view is what? I don't like to install my softwares under program files. My system is having some security. I don't like to save or maybe install my softwares under program files. That's my personal opinion. But you can go ahead, no problem. In that location, you can install as per your interest. But my view is what there. I don't like to install any software under program files. No. Program files is giving more security, not allowing frequent updations. No. But I have to do some frequent updations in my system. You know. That's why because of that problem there, I don't like to install my softwares under program files. I want to install directly my softwares under C drive. So I want to remove this program files. C, Java, JDK software. I want to install it. So immediately to change this location, JDK location, we have to click on change button or not. Come on guys, we have to click on what there? Change button here we have to use. All right, sir. Now here, what I'm telling to you, click on next button. Then after click on next button, change JDK installation location to C colon Java. Then what next one here? JDK 1.6.0 underscore update 45 like this. This is a location it is available here. Now let me check this here. Right, exactly. 1.6.0 underscore 45, not you underscore 45 only. This one here we have to provide here. By clicking on what there? By clicking on change button. Right, sir. That this option, this thing is optional. Depends on our way we can do that. But as per my interest, I'm doing this now. All right, sir. Now let me click on change button. No, here I'm having some option here to change this location here. Program files here I want to remove. I removed what there? Program files. Just directly see Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45. That is available with me. Click on. Let me click on OK button here. Now location is finalized. When location is finalized, then what I have to click there? Next button. I have to click on what there? Next button. Let me click on next button. Now JDK is going to be installed here. After that, it is going to be asked about JRE location. JRE location, it will ask there after this. Now, right, click on like what button here? No, next button. Click on next button. That's okay. Then after click on the next button. After click on the next button. Then what next one here we have to do there? Observe carefully. When you click on next button here, now it is asking about what location there? JRE location. JDK installation is completed. JRE location it is asking now. Again, by default, it has taken which location there? Now tell me. By default, it has taken what location there? Program files. But my view, I said to you, where I want to install my Java software is there under C drive directly. Again, I have to click on this change button or not. All right, so now the next point is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Click on, that means change JRE location. Change JRE location to what location here? C colon slash Java slash JRE 6. JRE 6. That's the location here we have to provide by clicking on change button. Right, sir. See Java JRE 6. Like this here we want to provide here. Change the JRE location by clicking on the change button here. Let me check this here. Right, sir. Now here, let me click on this change button here. Now here, I need to change the location. I want to remove like what there. See program files. I removed here. See Java JRE6. That's it. Click on OK button. Now it is available. Location is finalized. You know. Click on what button here? No. Next button. If I click on next button, automatically installation is going to be happen. 3 billion devices run Java. See this message no. Different devices no. Right, sir. Then what we have to do there? Now it is completed, of course. Now here, click on what button here? Now tell me. Click on next button. Right, sir. Just names ago I'm giving these steps, guys. But anyway, video is available for you. Every class is being recorded. Every class video will be provided to you, so you can utilize this video clearly. You can utilize this video. Click on next button here. Observe carefully. Then after this, after completion of this, then click on what button here? No, close button. Finally, here we have to click on close button. That's finished. Overall, click on close button. Click on close button. Right, so now this is what exactly the point here we understood about this installation process here. Now tell me guys, again I'm asking to you, installation of Java software in the sense, how many products we installed here? 2 products. What are the 2 products? No, JDK, another one is what there? JRE. First one is what there? JDK, and second one is what there? JRE. All of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. Now it's okay, fine. One small note here I'm telling to you, observe carefully the note. No. All right, sir. Now similarly, Similarly, install JDK 1.7 and JDK 1.8 versions. Similarly, we can do this. Similarly, we have to install both the versions. Can got it or not? All right, sir. Now can I go for the JDK 7 and JDK 8 here? No, can I install both of them? No response, guys. Java 6 version we completed here. Can I go with that second version here? No, JDK 7. Now let me go with the same location here. Now see this one. Now this time I want to do in a bit faster manner here. Why? Because I'm not going to prepare any documents here, right? Double click on it. If you double click on it, now it is asking about it. Now click on next button. Location is, we have to change the location. Click on change button. Now try to remove this what there. Program files here. Program file C Java JDK 1.7.0 underscore 80. Click on OK button. Click on next button. All right, sir. Now JDK is going to be installed. Next, it is going to be installed what there? JRE. JRE. It is going to be installed what there? JRE. Right, sir. Once it is completed, then it is asking about the location for JRE. Installing Java runtime environment. Now see this one. Now it is asking about what there? JRE location there. Now I need to click on the change button. There we have to remove what there? Right, sir. Program files option here we have to use C Java JRE 7. Click on OK button. Click on next button. Now 3 billion devices run Java. What next one here? 3 billion devices run Java. Okay, again now it's going to be installed. Finally, we have to click on close button. That's it. Not more than this. Now it is completed. Close button here. What we completed there? Java 7 is completed here. Again here, how many products we installed here? 2 products. What are the 2 products? No. JDK. Another one is what there? JRE. JDK and JRE. That's okay. Nice. Next one is what? Next one, guys. Now tell me. JDK 8 update 202. Am I right or not? Now let me click on it. Double click on it. Let me double click on it. Now here. Now it is asking about it. Click on next button. Now here. By default, it has taken the location is what there. Location is what there. Program files location here now. So I need to change it. Click on change button here. When you click on this change button here, what we have to do there? Just remove this program file. C Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202. Just click on OK button. Location is finalized. Then click on what button here? No, next button here. All right, if you click on next button, now it is asking about what there JRE. But Java 8 version may take 1 minute extra, but we have to observe this clearly. Little bit, it may take some time here, but we have to wait for it. When compared with Java 6 and Java 7, Java 8 is somewhat heavyweight. All right, somewhat heavyweight. That's why here we are. It has taken some time here now. Please recognize this information there. Important information about Oracle Java SE roadmap. Changes are coming which will impact your access to future releases of Java SE from Oracle. Corporate users will be impacted with the April 2019 update. All right, sir. These changes do not affect the versions you are about to install. For additional guidance, please visit the following link. Anyway, I'm giving clarity. They're giving information is like what there. Java 11 version onwards. Oracle people wants to make the Java as a licensed one. So just 5 minutes back, you said Java is a freeware. Now Oracle people is giving this information there. Java 11th version onwards. Java is what there? Licensed one. You are saying that. Two opposite statements you are saying now. What is this actually? Right, I'm giving clarity for you. Then immediately we have to recognize this point here. What is this point now? Tell me. What is this point, guys? Now tell me. Corporate users may be impacted. Am I right or not? Right, so I'll give clarity. Just 1 minute. Right. Here the point is what? Here the point is, listen all of you. Here the point is, for the individual development, for the students, for the knowledge transformation like teaching, Java software is a freeware. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Java software is what there? Freeware. Which cases no? For the students, for the individual development, and for the knowledge transformation purpose, like a teaching point of view, Java is what there? Freeware. We can download and we can use it. But in the company, in the software company, for example, I'm working with IBM. In IBM, I want to download Java with free of cost. I want to use it in the sense they are not allowing us. In the corporate, that means inside the companies, no, Java should be what their licensed one. So you must take license from Oracle Corporation. So up to student, up to individual development, the Java is what there freeware. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? So that is the information they have given there. It's okay, no problem. Just click on OK button. That is from Java 11th version onwards. I'm telling there. Before versions you can use, no issues there. Even after 11th version also for development, individual development, that is what there freeware only. No need to think much about it. Believe it, still Java is what there freeware. Don't think much about it now. Right, sir. Now, by default, it has taken the location is what the JR, program files. Again, I'm telling there, I don't like to install under program. This is my personal opinion, guys. Of course, if you want to install your Java software under program files, we can go ahead. No issues for it. We can utilize it as it is. We can use this. No problem here. But personally, I don't like to install under program files. That's up to my opinion, my view only. Think of it. Now, let me click on the change button here. I want to go with what there C drive. Inside the C drive, what I am going to provide there, already I have taken Java. Inside the Java, I want to create a new folder. That new folder is what there, JRE8. Separately, the JRE8 is not coming there. That's why I prepared it, selected it. Now the location is what there, what was finalized here. See, Java JRE8. That location is finalized here now. Now click on what button here now? Next button. If you click on next button, automatically it's going to be installed here. Here also it's going to be installed. Now we can understand clearly. Once it is installed here, all three versions here we installed clearly. Sir, all of you are following or not? So what I am suggesting to you, today itself, try to install your Java software in our computer. Directly we can start installation of one time. One time try to follow my approach here. That will be good approach for you. Okay. Right, sir. Once if we completed this part here, installation process now, then we have to go for setups. Okay, just a software installed here. But directly is it possible for us to use the Java software? As I'm asking one question to you. Now observe carefully. How many versions of Java software are installed here? How many versions of Java software are installed here? 3 versions of Java software are installed or not? Am I right or not? Of course, this is one of the interview question outside now. In a single computer, is it possible to install more than one Java version, more than one Java software? What is the answer for it now? Yes, sir, but different versions. Not same version. Again, we are unable to install the same version. Java 6 update 45. Again, I want to install. No, not possible here. No. Only one version, one time only. Multiple versions we can install in any number of times here. Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8. All of them I installed. Am I right or not? Okay, now tell me. Where I install my softwares, guys? Now tell me. Where I install now? What is the location? Where I install my softwares? C drive. Inside the C drive, Java folder I have taken. Inside the Java folder, what we have there now? Please check it now. What we have there, 3 JDKs are available or not? 3 JREs are available. JDK 1.6, JDK 1.7, JDK 1.8. Now similarly, JRE 6, JRE 7, and JRE 8. All three versions are installed successfully or not? Yes, observe carefully. In the latest versions of the Java, these are Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, somewhat older versions there. In the latest versions of the Java, not required to install JRE, just install JDK. If install JDK, that means if install JDK, only one folder will come, that is JDK folder only. No JRE will come. Why? Because JRE will be embedded inside the JDK. In the latest versions of the Java, JRE was provided inside what there? JDK only. So not required to install JRE separately. Java installation process will not ask you about the installation of JRE. It is asking about only the installation of what there? JDK. Up to what there? Maybe in the latest versions of the Java, only JDK is going to be installed. JRE is not going to be installed. But up to these older versions only, we have to install both the products there, JDK and JRE. Sir, all of you are following or not? Right, sir. Leave this punch here. Now I installed it. Okay, sir. Then immediately I have a question now. Sir, it's okay, fine. We installed Java software. Can I use that Java software through my command prompt now? Is it possible to use Java software in my command prompt as I installed Java software in my system now? Is it possible to use Java, that means Java commands on my command prompt? No, no. Even though I install Java software in our operating system, the Java software is not ready to use. We are unable to use it properly. We are unable to use that through command prompt here. But if you want to use that through command prompt, then what we have to do? No. If you want to use that command prompt, then if you want to use Java software through command prompt, what we have to do? No. We need to provide one setup. What setup here we have to provide there? All of you observe carefully what I'm telling you now. All right, sir. Observe carefully, all of you know. Right, sir. Install Java software. Under this, just we provided this total process here. Download Java software, we completed. Now point number 3 here, what I am telling there, what exactly the point number 3 here I am providing to you. Observe carefully. Point 3, after this, point number 3, provide setups in our computer. Provide setups in our computer. Right, sir. Observe carefully. After installation of the Java software, if you want to use Java commands on a command prompt, if you want to use Java commands on a command prompt, if you want to use Java commands on command prompt, then we have to set one environment variable. What is that environment variable? No, path environment variable. Yes, sir. All of you understand this point here? What is the point here I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. After installation of the Java software, if you want to use Java commands on command prompt, then we have to set the path environment variable. Clear? All of you are getting clarity? We have to set which environment variable? No, path environment variable. Sir, all of you put more concentration here. First program development I'm telling there. Don't deviate. Don't deviate your concentration here. Try to put more concentration here now. Right? Fine. We need to set path environment variable. Observe carefully. There are two ways to set a path environment variable. Yes, sir. How many ways we are able to set path environment variable? No, there are two ways to set path environment variable. What are the two ways? No, first one is like what there, temporary setup. Right, sir. What is this first one here? No, temporary setup. Second one is what there, permanent setup. Second one is what there, permanent setup. First one is what there, temporary setup, and second one is what there, permanent setup. Observe carefully. What is this temporary setup and what is this permanent setup now? Right, I'll give clarity now. Try to understand it. If you want to set a path environment variable, if you want to set path environment variable temporarily, then we have to use the following command on command prompt. We have to use the following command on command prompt. What command here we have to use there? Observe carefully. I'll give some command here. Now try to understand it. No, set path is equal to the location where all Java commands are existed inside the Java software. You install Java software or not? Inside the Java software, the location where all Java commands are existed. Java C command, Java command, Java P command, Java doc command. At which location all Java commands are available, that location we have to set to do path environment variable. Got it or not? Now where they are available there? Observe carefully. Go to the C drive, Java, any JDK. All of you observe carefully. Any JDK, not JRE, any JDK bin folder. What folder there? No, bin folder. All right, there we are getting all Java commands. Every Java command is available in the form of an application there. No, see, we can observe carefully. This is what there, Java C command. Now here, this is what there, Java P command. Like similarly here we are having like what there, Java command. This is Java command. So like this, Java doc command. So many commands are available here. All of you get my point or not? Each and every command is what there, an application here. No, this location, the simply we have to select it and Control C. Control C. I copied this. Copy this location. Now here we have to provide this value to like what there to the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, we have to provide this. Set a path is equal to C:/Java /JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin. This one here we have to provide. Yes, sir. Shall we see this point here clearly? No? Can I see this particular one here? Now this is what we have to do now. Now let me open command prompt, guys. Now to open this command prompt, then what we have to do now? CMD in the search. CMD in the search, just we can click on it. Now here we are getting command prompt here. Inside this command prompt, let us see this one. Java C. Are you getting any Java C? No, it is not available. Okay, just 1 minute. No, already I pin this command prompt here that I want to use there. It's okay, fine. Java C. Can I use the Java C? No, it is not available here. Then immediately what we have to do there now? Tell me what I have to do now. I have to write what there is set path is equal to. Always try to copy the locations. Don't try to type the locations. Maybe chances are available to do some mistakes now. Then better to copy that locations now. But how we are going to copy this location here? Already we selected it. Now try to copy this. All right. Now come to this command prompt. Here paste it. Semicolon. Now see, observe this clearly. What I have provided here. Set a path is equal to C colon slash Java slash JDK 1.8.0 slash underscore 202 slash bin semicolon. That we have to provide. I provided this. Click on enter button. My path is set up now. Now if I use Java C, click on enter button. Now we are getting all the options of Java. We are not getting any information like what they Java C cannot be recognized as an internal command or an external command or an operable program or a batch file. This message we are not getting. Now we are getting what there all Java C options here we are getting or not. All Java C option here we are getting or not. Guys, all of you are following these points or not? I think I given all these points in our tempo only, not in a fast manner, not in slow manner. Clearly, I think everybody is following my concepts now, right? It's very clear, sir. Now try to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Now this is what exactly the setup here we provided. I want to check which Java version I installed. I set in my command prompt here. For that purpose, Java C space hyphen version we have to use. What is the command we have to use there? Java C space hyphen version. There we are able to get Java C version. What version we set there? 1.8.0 underscore 202. Sir, all of you are getting this point or not? Okay, observe carefully. I'm closing this command prompt. Again, I open new command prompt. Java C hyphen version I'm using there. What we are getting there? Not available. So what I have to do there now? Tell me. Come on, what I have to do again? Set path is equal to. Tell me what we have to provide. Come on, guys. What I have to provide there again? Same. Whatever the thing we copied there from that location, we have to type it or not. Click on enter button. Now here we have to use Java C space version. Now we are getting it. Listen, all of you know. One more command prompt I'm going to open. One more command prompt. This is new command prompt. Java C hyphen version. What you are getting there? Again, Java C is not available. Again, what I have to do? What I have to do? Set path is equal to, already copied this that I want to use. Click on this one. Now here we can use Java C space hyphen version. Observe carefully. Again, I'm going to open another new command prompt. Now I will use Java C space version. What you are getting there again? What you are understanding now? I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to explain one point here, but what you are understanding from this, you know. So temporarily fixed path environment variable that is valid up to the present command prompt. That is not valid to the other command prompts. The scope of the temporary setup is up to present command prompt only. It is not available to other command prompts. All of you are following this point or not? Can I make this conclusion now? All right, sir. Can I give this conclusion here now? So the point is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. If we set a path environment variable, if we set path environment variable temporarily, if we set path environment variable temporarily, then that path environment variable, then the path environment variable is valid up to the present command prompt. Up to the present command prompt. It is invalid to the other command prompts. That is, it is not available to the, instead of saying this invalid, it is not available to the other command prompts. Other command prompts. Am I right or not? Then what is the point here I'm telling to you? Observe carefully. All right. If you want to make available, path environment variable setup, to all the command prompts. If you want to make available path environment variable setup to all the command prompts, not to a single command prompt, to all the command prompts, then we have to set, guys, observe carefully, then we have to set Come on, tell me. Then we have to set path environment variable. Path environment variable. What there? What there? Permanently. Am I right or not? Then we have to set path environment variable. What there? Permanently. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? But today, enter everybody is understanding properly, but except two members, sir. Two members continuously they are sleeping right from first minute of the class onwards. Don't look at the other faces now. Two members now. Now they are wake up. It's okay. Very happy. After installation of the Java software, they wake up, right? At least now onwards follow the points here. Then few minutes of time is remaining now. Yes, sir. Okay. In the first program, don't sleep. If you sleep in the first program now, how can you understand the content here? Very first program. First program, how to do installation and all the things I'm telling you. Every day this is 2 minutes of time I have to spend for it now. Tomorrow, so better to bring chocolates now. Whenever we are getting sleep, try to use that one chocolate. All right, sir. Otherwise, if you are requesting to me, then please provide chocolates. No, I will take that responsibility. No problem then. Fine. But understand it. At least I can appreciate you. You are coming inside the class. You are sleeping inside the class. I may feel very happy. Because of sleeping purpose only, if you are not coming to the class, if you are sleeping at your hostel now, you may miss this content. If you are sleeping inside the class, at least in the middle of the sleep now, you may heard the word like Java, Java P, Java C, this kind of comments at least. That will be somewhat better. You may remember this for a long time. Fine, sir. Understand it now. Almost all. I'm coming to conclusion. I'm coming to the conclusion sponge here. See, and one more thing I'm telling there. Why I'm taking this installation process each and every step clearly. Some people are coming from different backgrounds. They don't know even how to install it. Even some people are aware about installation process there, but in a standard way they are not aware. One time work only. All these things are one time. Every class I'm not going to repeat this installation process here. Only one time. For our entire batch, only one time. If I complete this one time there, I never go for this content again and again. Understand? But this time, try to understand properly. Of course, I'm giving video support to you. Through that video also, we can proceed do the same process. Right. Anyway, now try to understand it now. If you want to make available path environment variable setup to all the command prompt, then we have to set path environment variable permanently. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? All right, sir. How we are going to set path environment variable permanently? To set a path environment variable, to set path environment variable permanently, we have to use the following steps. What are the various steps here we have to follow there? Now try to observe this clearly. To set the path environment variable permanently, we have to use some steps. What are the various steps here we are using there? All of you understand it now? First of all, directly here we have to go with what there? Desktop, sir. Let me close all of them. Later I will open all these comments here. All right. On a desktop, this PC is available or not? As observe carefully. This PC, right click on this PC and select the properties. What is the first step here? No, right click on this PC. Maybe it is this PC or my computer or whatever it may be on our desktop. But nowadays everybody is having this PC only, right? Right click on this PC. Then what next one can know? Select properties. If you select properties, then third step is what there? Observe carefully. Right side, we can see this right side, advanced system settings. One link is available. Am I right or not? Advanced system settings. All right, so now select or maybe click on advanced system settings. Click on what there? Advanced system settings. That is existed here. You can click on advanced system settings. If you click on this advanced system settings now, their system properties window is open there. Where select which one advanced, but by default it was selected. No need to select it. By default it is selected. No, then select what there? Advanced. Observe carefully here. What we have to do there? 1 minute, sir. Right, sir. Now here, what I am telling to you, select advanced, but inside the bracket I am telling to you by default selected. By default it is selected. Then what next one here? After completion of this one, observe carefully. Next one is what there? Click on what there? Environment variables window. Click on what there? Environment variables window. Alright, so now click on environment variables button. Alright, if we click on this environment variables button, what we are able to get? Some window is open here. All of you observe carefully. Environment variables window, here two parts are available or not? This is part 1 and this is part 2. Forget about part 2. Forget about part 2. No need to go for this part 2. Just go for what there? Part 1. User variables for user. Actually, I joined in my computer as an administrator. My user is what there? Administrator. Got it or not? That's why I got this one. Second one is what there? System variable. This is what there? User variables. This is what there? System variables. What is the difference between these two? No. User variables are applicable for the present user of the system. Of course, in a single computer, multiple users are available or not? In a single computer, multiple users are available or not? These user variables are applicable for only present user. But system variables are applicable for what there? All users of your computer. System variables are giving share for what there? All users now. But user variables are for what there? Only present user. Okay, now observe carefully. What we have to do here? I think so maybe in all of your systems, path environment variable is already existed because of some other reasons. Path environment variable is already available because of what there? Some other reasons, some other software is there. In the case, if a path environment variable is not available in our system, I'll forget my point on it. In the case, if a path environment variable is not available in our system, click on what button here? New button. There we have to write variable name is what their path, variable value is what there, the respective bin folder, JDK 1.8.0 up to bin. We copied already this one. Am I right or not? Already we copied this. That we have to provide there. That we have to provide. Or else we can copy this. Now here where it is available, it's already existed here. I've opened this previously. C Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin. Copy this. Then after that here we have to paste this here now. Click on what button here now? OK button. Automatically path environment variable will be created. Am I right or not? All right, sir. Now get the point here I'm telling there. Now observe carefully. Click on environment variables button. All right, sir. If no path environment variable, environment variable in a user variables part, then click on new button and provide the following values. What values can we have to provide there? Right, sir. First one is what we have to provide there? We can understand variable name. That is what their path. Next one is what their variable value. What is that variable value here? We have to provide there. Variable value will be the same path up to this here. We have to provide. Just give a minute of time. Right, sir. Now understand this clearly. So variable name is what there, path. Variable value is what there, like value. That C drive, C Java JDK 1.8.0 bin now. Then what next one can know? Click on OK button. What button is available here now? If you click on this, click on OK button. That's going to be happen here, right? Click on OK button. When it is a case now, if there is no path environment variable in the user variables part, then click on new button and provide the following details here. Observe carefully. Now the seventh point is what there. Seventh one is what there. If we have path environment variable, if you have path environment variable already if you have path environment variable, then click on edit button. What button here we have to click on there? Edit button. Okay, now let me check this here. I have already path environment variable. Then click on select it. Then click on what button here? No, edit button. There we have to provide what there. Click on new button. Then paste it. Provide the value and click on OK button. Got it or not? Then what I have to do there now? Tell me. Edit button. Click on edit button. Edit button. Comma. Then what next one here? No, new button. New button. Then after this, what next one here? After providing new button and provide this value. What this value here? Up to bin value. Up to provide bin value. Then after completion of this, then what we have to do there? Click on OK button. I think so. What button here we have to click there? OK button. OK button. Again OK button. OK button. 3 times here we have to click on what button there? OK button. Right, sir. Next one is what there again here? No, click on OK button. Lastly, then click on OK button. Right, sir. Now by this here, what we completed here? No, we have to set a path environment variable permanently. We set this path environment variable permanently or not? When we set this path environment variable permanently, then what we have to do, sir? Now tell me. I need to check whether it is available to all the command prompts or not. All right, so now I'm going to open again first time command prompt now. Let me click on this command prompt here. Now let me check this Java C space version. I have not set path temporarily. Just I provided this. Now we are getting this value or not? Okay, now again I want to open new command prompt here. Another command prompt I opened here. Java C space version. Here what we are getting there? We can open any number of command prompts now. In every command prompt here we are getting like what there? Java C space hyphen version. In every command prompt. Again another command prompt here. Java C space version. Here we are getting it. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? In all the command prompts here, we are getting the same path environment variable or not? No response, guys. All right, sir. Now tell me, in our system, what is suggestible? Temporary setup or permanent setup? Always permanent setup. One time if we set it, no, just we can forget it. Every time we are able to get the same setup here, same version here, we are able to get. Yes, sir. Clear or not? All of you are getting clarity on this point or not? All right, sir. Now here we are having some important interview questions. Now try to answer for it here. All right, sir. Now, anyway, the setups are completed here, but we have to understand interview question. What is that interview question here? Everybody has to give answer for my question. No, already I have asked already this question, but officially I'm providing there. Is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? In a single computer? Come on, guys. What is your answer here? Now tell me. Is it possible to install more than one Java version in a single computer? All right, so what is the answer for this question there? Answer is what there? Yes. Answer is what there? Yes. All right, sir. Now, yes, it is possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer, in a single computer with the following conditions. Conditions are applied. What are the conditions now? First point number one, all the Java softwares must be compatible with the present operating system. Am I right or not? Present operating system. That means if my operating system is Windows related Java software only we have to download and we have to install. And at the same time, all the Java softwares must be different versions. Am I right or not? All the Java softwares must be what there? Different versions like, right, sir, Java 6, Java 7, Java 8 versions. In this way, we can understand it. Then only it is possible here. Yes, sir, got my point or not? That's okay, fine. Now here, I have a question now. What is my question here? Of course, answer is provided clearly. That's okay. Yes, it is possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer with the following conditions. All the Java softwares must be compatible with the present operating system. All the Java softwares must be different versions like Java 6, Java 7. Then what next one here? No, Java 8 versions. Am I right or not? All right, sir. This is a clear-cut information here. We can understand. Next, one more question, guys. Observe carefully. If we install more than one Java software, if we install more than one Java software in a single computer, then which Java software is available in command prompt to use? Understood my question here? If we install more than one Java software in a single computer, then which Java software is available in the command prompt to use? In the command prompt to use. This is a question, guys. Okay, all of you are getting answer for it now. What is the answer here? I'm telling there. Listen carefully. 1.8.0 in the sense why? How it is possible? How it is possible? I'll give information here. No, if we install more than one Java software in a single computer, then which Java software we set up to path environment variable, which Java software we set to path environment variable, that Java software is available to the command prompt. Don't worry, I will give clarity. No, that thing is available to the command prompt. I'll show this point practically. Now try to understand it. No, on command prompt here, what I'm telling to you, I'm going to take one command prompt, guys. Observe carefully. Inside this command prompt here, what I'm telling now, set path is equal to, listen carefully, JDK 6 I'm providing first. Let me copy this. Here we provided this. Okay, Java C space hyphen version, that we are getting it. That's okay, fine. Next one is after this, set path is equal to. Now this time I want to set what there, JDK 1.7.0 bin. Right, sir. Now copy this. Sorry. Paste this. Now here I have to use what there, Java C space hyphen version. What we are getting there, 1.7.0. Next one is again here, set path is equal to. I want to provide like what there, Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 2022 bin. Copy this. Then I will go to this one. Then semicolon Java C space hyphen version. Right, sir. Now let's observe carefully. All of you know. All of you are following this point or not? Which version we set to path, that is available in the command prompt here. All versions are not coming at a time. What we set to the path environment variable, that is available. It may be temporary setup or it may be permanent setup, whatever it may be. What version we set there, that value here we are able to get. All right, sir. In the document, even I'm giving this one also. Now try to understand this clearly. On command prompt, what I given there? On command prompt, what exactly the things here are given there? The same content here we provided here. Now try to understand this clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Clearly, no. Right, sir. Now this is about like what there, how to install Java software, then how to set up this path environment variable. Still, path environment variable setup is not completed. Still, what is not completed here? This installation of the Java software and configure the Java software. The step is not completed. Two more points are available. The two more points here I have to discuss. Yes, sir. Got it or not? So the two more points I'm going to discuss with you tomorrow. Right, guys? Then I'm requesting to all of you, don't deviate. No, then continuity is important from now onwards. So today we have discussed some installation of the Java and setups for the Java. Two types of setups I shown, and some interview questions also here we are understanding. Few more interview questions are remaining in this. Once if we complete this, then I will install what there, editor part. How to? We require some editor to write Java program there. So I'm going to install that editor part. So try to understand the content here. Without failure, try to attend for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, damn sure, 2 to 3 interview questions I'm going to discuss more. More than 2 to 3 interview questions I'm going to discuss. That questions are nowadays asked by interviewer for every student. So without failure, try to attend for the class on tomorrow. You must aware about these concepts on tomorrow. Got it or not? Right, guys. Thank you. Then tomorrow we'll see remaining part. Tomorrow at what time? 4:30 only. As is 4:30 we can come there. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, then Jyoti Ranjan, yes, we can use this. Today is the first class. Don't worry. The software installation all I have given there, so we can utilize this. But a few topics, introduction topic is available. I'll discuss with you. I'll give some time to you. Then when I'm going to talk about that introduction class, I'll give that introduction class content to you. No need to worry for it. Yeah, yeah, guys. Then this videos access and everything. Our team will be interacted with you, and they will call you then regarding these videos and everything. Just you can respond for it. They will give access to you. Google Drive access they will provide to you so that you are able to get it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Yes. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I will discuss the same point in tomorrow. Yeah, it's available in the part of the content. Mm. Default batch file. Yeah, I'll discuss that same point. It is also be the part of our content. Tomorrow I'll discuss. Not in tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe. It will come. Fine. Yeah. Yeah, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hmm. No, no. Here we are in a teaching part, right? We are in a learning process, no? We have to learn all the versions there, right? Some features are maybe 1 minute, 1 minute. Some features are different in Java 6, some other features are different in Java 7, in Java 8. That variation is coming there. But I have to teach all the variations now. So that's why at a time I'm installing 3 versions now. 3 versions, definitely. In the future. So same program I will run in the Java 6. There I will show some output. Java 7, some other. Java 8, some other output. I'll show that. Obviously, they're not even up to the end of the course. Depending on topics, automatically you are going to write the projects. Yeah, sure. Yeah, exactly. Right. This is a platform. Right. Thank you. Yeah, Samir Raj, then better do WhatsApp to this number, guys. Our people will provide that video section and everything to you guys. This number, WhatsApp to this number there, then our people will give clarity on it regarding the taxes and everything. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys. Then I have some other class there immediately. Then tomorrow I'll give some time to you then to explain our doubts if you have any doubts. No. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.